Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Started with the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Currently, my dear students, we have been sharing with a crucial aspect of the medicine, that is anti-neoplastic agent, anti-cancer drugs we are dealing with, and in that respect I did talk to you as there are 5 fingers of a hand, there are 5 ways to intervene in this way. Number 1 is the alkylating agent, which has been completely deleted in your syllabus because these alkylating agent in itself cause cancer, because the nitrogen has got the lone pair upon it, and that lone pair can interact to form the covalent bonding, and coordinate covalent bonding somewhere has been formed and the cancer would develop. That's why the alkylating agent has been eliminated and deleted from your syllabus. And number 2 is the natural product, vincristine and vinblastine sulfate. We did talk a lot about it. It inhibits the formation of the spindle, and the cell will not form, and the proliferation will not take place, and cancer will be suppressed. Number 3 in that respect is the antibiotics, and number 4 in that respect we have been dealing with the antimetabolites. Under antimetabolites, you can see there are different ways. Those antimetabolites which forms purine, that is the bigger basis of the DNA, that is adenine and guanine. Those are the pathways wherein we can intervene on different enzymes. Number 2, pyrimidine, the smaller molecules of the DNA which are being interpreted to form the DNA molecule and RNA molecule, we can intervene in that one. And then last and least in this respect, the foliate, antifoliates. Under that, the most important drug which we have to share with, and that is the methotrexate. And I'll let you to explain why the methotrexate is a drug of choice in any kind of the cancer. And if you could have been sharing with me, and I have been delivering the lecture face to face, then it was more beautiful to explain and you would be able to understand it. But still, I can assure the way I will let you to know, you will recall it anywhere, whenever it is needed to you, while you are working in anywhere in the global village, particularly as a hospital pharmacist or at a clinical pharmacist, wherein you can intervene. Now, I would like to explain it to you. That is, the methotrexate is broad spectrum anti-neoplastic agent, commonly used in the treatment of acute lymphoblastic and myoblastic leukemia and other lymphomas and sarcomas. The major side effects seen are bone marrow suppression, pulmonary fibrosis, and GI ulceration. Leucovorin is often given 6 to 24 hours after methotrexate to prevent the long-term effect on normal cell by preventing the inhibition of DNA synthesis. So this is the target, that DNA should not be able to form, and when the DNA will not be formed, cell will not proliferate, and the cancer will be suppressed and finished, goes off, dies off, and decays off. So we have to opt all those ways, means, options, methods wherein DNA synthesis would be stopped. So related to this is pemetrexed, but its scope is greater in that it not only inhibits DHAF, but also TS and glycinamide ribonucleotide formamide transferase, now which is involved in purine biosynthesis. Now the figure available is in 10.16. The material is taken into the tumor cell by the reduced foliate carrier system and subsequently convert the polyglutamate, which is retained in the cell. Now, I would like to explain why only the methotrexate is the drug of choice. in any kind of the cancer. Now, this is the only drug which is administered into the body, and it will inhibit the DNA synthesis by acting on purine biosynthesis, pyrimidine biosynthesis, and as an antifoliant also act. 3 ways this drug can act. That's why all traditional worker folk medicine using homeopathy, sometimes allopathy, naturopathy, and many other people who are in the domain as a clinician, they are extensively using the methotrexate as a drug of choice in any kind of cancer, because it will ultimately inhibit the DNA synthesis through various biochemical pathways, and I'm going to explain it to you in that aspect now. You can see here, and this is the drug which we are using here, methotrexate and folic acid as antifoliate. The difference is only of OH and NH2. Rest of the molecule is the same in here. So methotrexate is the drug of choice in neoplastic condition. Why this is the only drug of choice? And I'm going to explain it to you that it acts on many ways, on purine biosynthetic pathway, pyrimidine biosynthetic pathway, and foliate biosynthetic pathway to inhibit the formation of the DNA molecule, which is the causative agent to causes the cancer. So now I will let you to know pictorially, and I've given you the pictorial presentation of the methotrexate, and these are the structures of the folic acid and antifolate anti-cancer drugs. This is folic acid, and then methotrexate is the drug of choice in that respect, and we have discussed about it. But out of these 2, this is the most important one, methotrexate. That's why I'm emphasizing a lot upon it in that respect. Now you can see 2 biochemical pathways. How does this play a crucial role? By acting upon folic acid, and in this place we are administering methotrexate with the difference of NH pairing that act upon dihydrofoliate reductase enzyme and inhibit it, and the further movement of this biochemical pathway will be inhibited, and ultimately the DNA and RNA molecule will not be formed. That's why this is one of the best drugs in this respect. Now the next in that respect is, now again you can see the mechanism of inhibition of thiamidylate synthetase by 5-fluorouracil, and similarly methotrexate also act upon it in that way, and this is the enzyme which is involved here, and the further synthesis of DNA and RNA molecule will not be able to form. And the third aspect of it wherein this drug act is the purine basis biosynthesis, and here is that one. Now this is that one. Here is that. It act, and this will not form, this product will not be formed, 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 and ultimately this will not, and ultimately this product which incorporated into the DNA molecule will not be synthesized. Now you can understand in this way, that is this thiamidylate synthetase, dehydroxyfoliate reductase, And the most important one in that respect is glycinamide, ribonucleotide, formamide transferase. Now, three pathways are there in which is being inhibited by only the one drug, that is methotrexate. This is one anti-foliate drug, dihydrofoliate reductase enzyme, and another is thiamidylate synthetase enzyme, and last and least in this respect is glycinamide, ribonucleotide, formamide transferase. Now you can understand this methotrexate is the drug of choice which inhibits all those pathways which leads towards the formation of the DNA molecule, and the DNA molecule incorporated into the cell and cell start dividing. If there will be no DNA, no cell division, cancer will be vanishes off, goes off, dies off, and decays off. And now you would have been able to understand this methotrexate act in three ways: here, here, and the third one, this one. And you should be having on your trip, and you should be able to understand all these things, why methotrexate is a drug of choice, particularly in the case of cancer. And this is your domain, my dear pharmacist, to let you to know while you are around in the round with the clinician in the ward, and you have to explain, here is that point, here is second point, and here is the third point, wherein this methotrexate acts, and you should have administered this. Thank you very much, my son and daughter.